Hello champions, welcome to the next lecture on the GATE 2026 Data Science and the AI. Today I will explain you how you can solve the questions of the principal component analysis in just the 10-second time period. Myself Dr. Harish Garg, you can follow my playlist of the GATE Data Science and AI. I will upload more videos in this playlist soon. If you are interested, you can scan and join my free WhatsApp group. Find the target is to provide the free knowledge with the happy learning. Now the question arises related to the principal component analysis is, as we all know, what is the role of the principal component analysis? That is the PCA is to reduce the dimensions of the features. Fine. And it is given that it reduce the dimensions from 100 to 10. Then it means it has the 10 principal components and they are asking about the angle between the first and the 10th principal component. Fine. Always remember students, whatsoever the principal component, all the principal components are always, yes, anybody, are always orthogonal to each other, are always orthogonal to each other. So once they are orthogonal, can you find the angle between the principal components? तो चाहे वो फर्स्ट हो चाहे सेकंड हो, एंगल बिटवीन द फर्स्ट एंड द सेकंड प्रिंसिपल component is 90 degree, angle between the first and the third principal component is 90 degree, angle between the fourth and the fifth principal component is 90 degree. So that means the right answer is B is the correct answer of the problem. Based on this single line you can get the answer in a simple. Fine. So I hope you can share this video with your friends. Happy learning students. We will see the next video very soon. Thanks for the watching.